TikTok has updated their app with more robust editing tools with the addition of the Studio Editor. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Studio editing tools on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, make sure you've updated your TikTok app to the newest available version. To use the Studio Editor on TikTok, begin creating a new TikTok video by recording clips with the in-app camera or uploading clips from your device. Then tap Next. On the right, tap Adjust Clips to get into the Studio Editor. The Studio feature has many more editing tools that will allow you to edit and adjust your video clips and audio. Here you can trim the beginning and end of clips by dragging the ends of the clips left or right. You can reorder clips by holding and dragging a clip to change the order. You can upload additional clips from your device by tapping the plus sign. If you tap Sound Sync, the editor will automatically sync all your clips to the beat of the song you've chosen. You can change the song by tapping the sound icon. Then select Replace Sound. Choose the sound you want to use instead. Then the app will automatically resync your video to the new audio you've selected. If you don't want to use Sound Sync, you can turn it off by tapping the icon again to disable it. With the Adjust tool, you can adjust which part of your video clips are selected to be shown in your video. Tap the clip you want to adjust, then slide it left or right until the portion of the clip that you want to use is selected. When you're finished making adjustments to each of your clips, tap Save. With the Edit tool, you can split up your clips into multiple segments, adjust the speed of your clips, adjust the volume of your clips, rotate a clip, or even delete a clip if you decide you don't want to use it anymore. With the Sound tool, you can change the sound you're using for your TikTok, adjust the volume of your sound, or remove the sound. With the Text tool, you can add text overlays to your video. Tap Add Text to add a new text box. Then you can type in the text you want to add and change the font, style, and color. After adding your text, you can hold and drag it to the part of your video you want it to appear on, and drag the ends of the text clip to adjust the duration of it. You can also enable text-to-speech if you want your text read out loud. With the Overlay tool, you can add a photo or video from your device as a sticker overlay on your TikTok. Just like the text overlays, you can adjust the placement and duration of this overlay by dragging it where you want it to appear in your video, and dragging the ends of the clip to adjust the duration of this overlay. When you're all finished using the Studio editing tools to edit your TikTok, tap Save to go back to the main TikTok editing panel. Then you can publish your TikTok as normal. That does it for our guide to using the TikTok Studio editing tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.